Hi traders, Anthony here. What I'm going to do in this video is run through these trade alerts in the alerts log. What I've done is I've set up trade alerts, this one here, this is a breakout alert, and I've set these up on most of the crypto pairs that I have. Go to my crypto list here, crypto list, and I've set the alerts up on the pairs paired with USDT mainly. And I've got, I think, Ethereum and Bitcoin. It's quite a few here. Let's just run through the alerts and see how they stack up. Are they any good? So this is the alert we're looking for. This is a range breakout, and we have a rule of thumb with this alert that we wait for the pullback after the alert. So we have time. This is a 1 minute chart, as you can see up the top here. We have time, like each one of these candles is a minute. So once the alert fires over here in the alerts log, we can come in and we can do some higher time frame analysis. We can look at the chart and make a decision as to whether this is something we want to get involved in or not. But let's just run through on the 1 minute chart, regardless of the other time frames, and see how they stack up. So we start from the top and let's work our way down. Okay, there's the alert. We enter on the pullback into the mean, this line here. That's our trade. Nice. There's the alert. We enter, pull back into the mean. There's our trade. Stop loss levels. We've got our cloud that we use. And then when we're in profit, we pull the stop loss down from here. And we follow. Link, 1 minute chart. There's the pullback. There's the trade. There's the pullback. There's the trade. Just go down the list, it's random. There's ADA. There's the alert, the breakout. Generally looking for the pullback into the mean. It was a very shallow pullback and it continued on. Finally got it here. Do you want to get involved after all that? Rule of thumb, we're looking at the ATR down here and we're going to go 1 times the ATR. For TP, so if that was entry, 1 times the ATR would definitely be around about here, even less than that. So if it's extending like this, you might want to reconsider. The best signals are when we get the breakout and we get a quick pull back into the mean, generally. So it's just a matter of going through them and having a look at the signals and see what I mean. Like this one here, it pulled back and then it moved, and so we kind of missed the boat there. And you don't want to be chasing that. Just let it go. Don't take it. That's an easy decision. The rule of thumb could be, let's just wait for the pullback, a quick pullback. Breakout, relatively quick breakout here, and it just kind of like rotated and came up. What do we got back here? Yeah, maybe, maybe not. You want to be fussy. This is the sort of break you want. You get the signal, and it just comes straight back into the mean, and then that's your trade. They're the signals I prefer. And that's a nice one. Let's just have a look at Luna. They're wonderful signals, but it's not going to be picture perfect. This is the sort of signal you want. There's the breakout, and it directly pulled back into the mean. And then there's your trade. There's the breakout, and it just kind of rotated and pulled back into the mean. That's your trade. But if there's prolonged, like if the signal was here, if the signal kind of fired here and it just sort of carried on up and then we eventually get a pullback, I'd rather let that go. Alright, so a quick pullback is generally going to be the thing. Yeah, let that one go. Even though you would have made money with that, let it go. This one, quick pullback, and you got to be in right there, and then you got your trade. This one, yeah, it just kept going on and on and on and on. Let it go. See that? It's a nice move, but you didn't get the quick pullback down in. There's a lot of momentum. I would just rather step back and let it go, because there's going to be a ton of other opportunities. And here's the signal again, and it just kept going, so just let it go. The sort of signal you want is, this is the sort of signal that gets you in early on the trend. See, this is the one you want. You get the breakout and then it whips back in. That's your trade. So just keep an eye out for those. They're the ones we want, and you get these nice extended moves. Not all the time. that's okay. You know, where it just swings around and comes straight back in. You know, that's your trade. This one was okay, and we got a little bit out of it. Some of them you get, you know, a better result than others, but this will get you in very early on the trend. This is your signal right here. There's the breakout, and it just whips straight back down into the mean. It touches here. Look at that trade. So I'll just take these random. Let's just have a look at this one. Yeah, just study them and have a look and see what's working or what works. See here? Nice, but we didn't kind of get that. And I would rather just stay out of it while it's doing that. This is the signal here. You get the break, bang, straight back, and then we're in. Yeah, that kind of makes a lot of sense. Alrighty, yep, there's your signal. Happens, bang, we're in. This one here, straight back in. Alright, yeah, you got time. It is a 1 minute chart. It's quite a few minutes going on there, but that's your entry. We're going to get so many signals here. This is the one you want. So just recognize where it just whips straight back like that. That's your signal. Have a look at all these charts. You know, just go back. Have a look at all of them. I mean, yeah, that's a good one. All right, study these and see the pattern and see what's most reliable and go for it. There's your pullback. Nice setup. Then short it. Alrighty, go to my website, guys, and jump on board with me. We have a Telegram group. Here's my website, tradingwithanthony.com. Jump on board if you haven't already. Here's what you get, and give it a shot for 7 days. For whatever reason, if it's not for you, get your money back. Jump in, go with the PayPal thing, whatever, and make that back. Cover your subscription. Give it 7 days. You might be surprised. Okay, with that, have a great day. Safe trading, and see you in the next video.